Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. The angry military veterans on 14 October Thursday night held ministers Thandi Modise and Mondli Gungubele hostage at the St. George's Hotel, forcing police and security forces to intervene. Defense Minister Modise, Head Deputy Thabang Makwetla and Minister in the Presidency Gungubele were present at the meeting when it quickly turned sour. Doors were barricaded and the trio were not allowed to leave. Gungubele said the incident was untenable and legally unacceptable. He said the meeting broke down when the agreement couldn't be reached, and it was said that a decision was taken to adjourn. She went on saying, as we were leaving the meeting proceeding to the doors, the military veterans closed the doors. It is at that point we realized we were held hostage. It is a situation which was adverted by the security forces very effectively and successfully, and hoped the law will take its course. The Department of Military Veterans spokesperson Phumeza Zuguda had earlier confirmed to Times Live that there was an incident, but she was authorized not to provide more details. Vish Naidu, who is the spokesperson of SAPS, said that the police had penetrated the room where the hostages were being held and that no shots were fired. He also confirmed that 56 people were arrested and they were likely to face charges, at least 3 counts of kidnapping. 3 of people arrested were taken for medical checks. The MK military veteran Ras Mzobe said that the former soldiers wanted reparations among other demands and denied that ministers were held hostage. He said Modise, Makwetla and Gungubele were requested to sit with us to facilitate a meeting with the President Cyril Ramaphosa, whom they had hoped would have addressed them and their demands. It's really hectic in Mzansi right now, people. What do you think about this hostage situation? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye, good people.